Roasting vegetables is a great way to intensify their flavor while maintaining their structural integrity and nutritional value. Starchy vegetables in particular take to roasting very well. While roasting, the vegetables caramelize and their natural flavor is accentuated. Roasted root vegetables are an excellent example of this method. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The vegetables should be washed, peeled, and cut into bite-sized pieces. Next, toss them in oil and salt and pepper. After this, place on an oiled baking pan. Place the baking pan in the oven and roast until the vegetables have crispy edges and are tender inside. You'll want to turn or stir the product occasionally so they brown evenly. Once browned and tender, the vegetables are ready to serve. Roasting vegetables is another simple but delicious technique. They hold well for service and are easy to do in bulk. Experiment with various combinations of spices, herbs, and aromatics to yield a variety of different dishes.